Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Noori Jannah and I am going to take your BGST class. I hope you will do this class attentively. My dear, you know, as a nation, we have a glorious history. We achieve our independence by paying a high price. After a long 9 months war, we achieve our freedom. We achieve our nationality. After giving so many sacrifices, we get the right to speak in Bangla. My dear, we are Bengalis. We have so many colorful occasions. We celebrating festivals all over the country. Among them, one of the most important occasion is Nabanno. This is our social festival. It marks the harvest of crops. As a Bengalis, we have the main social festival, Pohela Boishakh. Every year, we celebrate Pohela Boishakh, the first day of the Bangla New Year. This is a colorful festival and everyone takes part of it. We celebrate Pohela Boishakh by arranging so many cultural programs and fairs. Peoples and children were enjoying very much. So my dear students, after listening my discussion, I think you got the clue which chapter I am going to discuss with you. Yes, my dear, the chapter name is Our History and Culture.
My dear students, let's start our today's class. At first, I'm going to discuss with you about our previous lesson. I think you have learned your previous lesson perfectly and attentively. So, I'm going to ask you some questions from your previous lesson. If you read your previous lesson attentively, I think you will be able to give this question answer by yourself. And if you give me the answer properly, it will be make me sure you have learned your lesson attentively. So, are you ready, my dear? Okay, let's see the first question. Number 1. Why is 21st February the Martyrs' Day? You can give me this answer. Very good. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. 21st February is the Martyrs' Day because many people along with some students were martyred on that day for the state language. Our Martyrs' Day now observed throughout the world as Mother Language Day. Excellent, my dear. Let's see the next question. Who surrendered in December 1971? Who can tell me this answer? Very good. Do you want to say? Okay. Give the answer, my dear. Tell the answer, my dear. Excellent. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. The Pakistani army surrendered on 16th December 1971. This significant day now we celebrate as our Victory Day. Question number 3. Write the names of 2 rural festivals. Very easiest question. Very easiest question it is. Who can tell me this answer? Excellent, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. The name of 2 rural festivals are Nabanno and Poush Mela. Next question. When did Bangabandhu declare independence? Who can tell me this answer? Excellent, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. Bangabandhu declared independence on 26th March 1971. Every year on 26th March we celebrate Independence Day. Let's see the question number 5. What is the main social festival for Bengalis? Who can tell me this answer? Excellent, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. The answer is Pohila Boishakh is the main social festival for Bengalis, where everyone takes part. Pohila Boishakh is the first day of the Bangla New Year. Excellent, my dear. You have given all the question answer correctly. And I have understood you have learned your previous lesson perfectly, attentively. My dear students, now take preparation for today's class. Open your BGST book, CW copy with pen. I hope you will do this class attentively. Now I am going to discuss with you about our today's learning objectives. After finishing my class, you will be able to say about our Martyrs' Day and our Victory Day. Some festivals which are celebrating by Bengalis and how do we celebrate these programs? I think you have understood our today's learning objectives. My dear students, open your CW copy and write today's CW number. Our today's CW number is 50. And I'm going to discuss chapter 11. And the chapter name is Our History and Culture. And our today's topic is broad question answer number 3 and 4 and CVQ. That means competency based questions. Now I am going to show you today's broad questions. Question number 3. How do we observe Pohila Boishakh? And question number 4. What did the language martyrs protest about? These 2 questions I am going to discuss with you today. Children enjoy the fair, buy food and toys. Businessmen open new ledger books to keep accounts on this day, which is known as Halkatha. Customers are welcome in the shops and sweetmeats are offered to them on this day. And the Bengali people arranged a popular food, or you can say special food, that is Hilsa fish fry and panta bhat. So my dear, I think you have understood which question I am going to discuss with you. And my dear, you have understood which question I am going to discuss with you. My dear, the question is, how do we observe Pahela Boishakh? Let's see the answer. Pahela Boishakh is the first day of the Bengali New Year, 14th April. This is the main social festival for Bengalis. Musical programs and Boishakhi fair are organized on this day. Businessmen open their yearly accounts on the Bengali New Year on this day. This is called Halkhata. For this, customers are welcomed in the shop with sweets. My dear, I think you have understood the question properly and you can able to write by yourself this question answer. My dear students, we know on 21st February 1952, many people along with some students were martyred because they expressed the right to speak in their mother tongue, Bangla. The Bengalis waged a movement in 1952 for establishing Bangla as one of the state languages. The Pakistani rulers wanted Urdu to be the only state language. But in the East Pakistan, Bengalis were the majority in number and their mother tongue was Bangla. So they protested against the Pakistani rulers' decision and waged the language movement to establish Bangla as one of the state language. So my dear, I think you got the question which I am going to discuss with you. Okay, let's see the question. Yes, the question is, what did the language martyrs protest about? Let's see the answer, my dear. Bangla was the language of the most of the people of East Pakistan. This is the language of our heart. But the rulers of Pakistan wanted Urdu to be the only state language. However, the Bengalis did not accept that. They wanted to make their mother tongue, Bengali, as the state language because Bengalis were majority in Pakistan. So they protested against their decision on 21st February 1952. I hope you have understood the question perfectly. Now I am going to discuss with you our second topic, competency based question. My dear students, you know, competency based questions we can say shortly CBQ. When you got the question of CBQ, you will get at first some story or some clue about the question's topic. Then you got the question and according to the story or clue, you have to write the answer of this CBQ. So my dear, let's see the question. CBQ 1. Today I am going to discuss with you two CBQ. So at first, let's see the first questions. 21st February is our Martyrs' Day. Many people along with some students were martyred on that day. So my dear, this is the clue of these questions. So, which one is the question? Yes, this one. How do we observe our Martyrs' Day? So, my dear, can you write this question? I think you can write. Because you know, the Bengalis waged a movement in 1952 for establishing Bangla as one of the state languages. Because the Pakistani rulers wanted Urdu to be the only state language. But in East Pakistan, Bengalis were the majority in number, and their mother tongue was Bangla. So they protested against the Pakistani rulers' decision and waged the language movement to establish Bangla as one of the state languages. And we got the right to speak in Bangla. So, my dear, this day is very special for us, isn't it? And some special programs we have arranged on this day. So, let's see the question answer. How do we observe our Martyrs' Day? 21st February is our Martyrs' Day. We celebrate this day nationally. In memory of language martyrs, the central Shahid Minar was built in Dhaka. Smaller Shahid Minars were also built in educational institutions. Every year, 21st February, we go barefoot with flowers to pay our homage to the language martyrs. Every educational institute arranges rallies, seminars on language movement. Now it is observed throughout the world as International Mother Language Day. So my dear, I think you have understood how do we observe our Martyrs' Day every year. Now CBQ number 2. Let's see the question. Alicia is a British tourist. She visited Bangladesh last April. She was surprised seeing the colorful celebration of Pohela Boishakh. Yes, this is the clue, my dear. And the question is, how do we celebrate Pohela Boishakh? So, you know Pohela Boishakh is a colorful festival for every Bengalis. We observe Pohela Boishakh on the first day of Bangla New Year. This is the main social festival for Bengalis and everyone takes part in the celebration. On this occasion, so many cultural programs and Boishakhi fairs are organized all over the country. Children enjoy the fair and buy food and toys. Businessmen open their new ledger books to keep accounts on this day, which is known as Halkhata. Customers are welcomed in the shop and sweetmeats are offered to them on this day. So my dear, now I think you can able to write, how do we celebrate Pohela Boishakh? Isn't it, my dear? Okay, let's see the answer. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of the Bengali New Year. It is celebrated on 14th April as national holiday in Bangladesh. This is the main social festival for Bengalis and also celebrated by all. The traditional greetings for Bengali New Year is Shubho Nabobarsho. Musical programs and Boishakhi fairs are organized on this day. Children enjoy the fairs with sweets, dolls, earthen toys, wooden materials, etc. Businessmen open their yearly accounts on the Bengali New Year on this day. This is called Halkhata. I have told you, isn't it? For this, the customers are entertained by the shopkeepers with sweets. So, my dear students, now I think you are able to write, how do we celebrate Pohela Boishakh? My dear students, It's feedback time. I'm going to ask you some questions from our today's lesson. If you did the class properly, I think you will be able to give the answer correctly. So, may I ask you some questions? Okay, my dear. Are you ready? Let's see the question. The first question is, when did Bangabandhu declare independence? You can tell me this answer. Excellent, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. Bangabandhu declared independence on 26th March 1971. Every year on 26th March we celebrate Independence Day. Very good, my dear. Let's see the next question. What is the main social festival for Bengalis? Who can tell me this answer? Excellent, my dear. Let's see the answer. Pohila Boishakh is the main social festival for Bengalis, where everyone takes part. Pohila Boishakh is the first day of the Bangla New Year. Excellent, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the next question. How do we observe Pohila Boishakh? And this is the most important question from this chapter. And I think you can say, how do we observe Pohila Boishakh? Isn't it? Who can tell me this answer? Excellent, my dear, and I'm very happy to hear your answer. Let's see the answer. Pohila Boishakh is the first day of the Bengali New Year, 14th April. This is the main social festival for Bengalis. Musical programs and Boishakhi fairs are organized on this day. So, my dear students, I'm very happy to hear your answer and to see your performance, because all the question answer you have given correctly. And I have understood you have done today's class attentively. On International Mother Language Day, we visit the Central Shohid Minar barefoot and pay our respect by placing floral wreaths. And you know, my dear, Central Shohid Minar was built in Dhaka to commemorate the martyrs. You know, my dear, 16 December is our Victory Day. On this day in 1971, the Pakistani army was defeated and surrendered to the Allied forces. On this day, our war of liberation came to an end after 9 months of war. We achieved our independence and we became the proud citizen of an independent and sovereign country. For all these reasons, 16 December is called the Victory Day. My dear, we are Bengalis and we are celebrating so many festivals around the year. And Pohila Boishakh is one of the social festivals of Bengalis. We observed Pohila Boishakh on the first day of the Bangla New Year. And this is the main social festival for Bengalis, and everyone takes part in the celebration. On this occasion, cultural programs and Boishakhi fairs are arranged all over the country, and children enjoy the fair, buy food and buy so many toys on this day. So my dear students, now I am going to show you our today's homework. Please open your diary and write today's homework perfectly. Today's homework number is 20. You will learn BQA number 3 and 4 from chapter 11 and you will write in your HW copy BQA number 3. I think you have understood our today's homework, whatever I have given to you. And I hope you will do the homework perfectly and submit it on time.
My dear students, I hope you enjoyed the class very much. And whatever I have discussed with you, you have learned well. After that, if you have any problem or any query about this topic, you can consult with your teacher. He or she will help you. So my dear students, no more today. With a new topic, with a new class, we will meet again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.